Hey, welcome to a new SneakyTools video. Today we are going to show you the most advanced Alias module. You can generate invoices, scrape labels, get statistics, monitor sales, and much more. Let's start with the most important, the invoice generation. First things first, always double-check your Alias invoice settings. Ensure that every field in your invoice settings is filled out correctly, including alias case number, VAT rate, VAT type, invoice language and year, alias prefix, alias number, alias locations. The reverse charge setting is not relevant for alias anymore. Now create a task group for Alias, enter a group name, and select the proxy group. Proxies for Alias are not needed, the proxy group can be empty. In order to generate your invoices, you need to create a task with the mode Invoices. You also need to select your business profile, the month you want to create invoices for, and your Alias account. Afterwards, click Create Task. The task is now created. Click the small play button to start the invoice generation. Wait until the task is finished. Do not stop it. All invoices will be sorted into a file directory in your documents, which will force open after the successful generation. The advice letter gives you a very good sum-up of each month at Alias. It shows all monthly sales with the sale date, the specific fees, and all your cash-out fees. You can use it yourself or provide it to your tax advisor for bookkeeping if needed. It can also be helpful for a tax audit from the tax office. Create a task and choose the mode advice letter. Select your business profile, the specific month you want to create the advice letter for, and your Alias account. Click Create Task afterwards. Click the small play button to start the creation from the advice letter. Do not stop the task. The advice letter will also be sorted in their own file directory. The stats mode collects your monthly stats and sends a short overview via a Discord webhook. It shows the completed orders of consign and ship, the amount of cancels from the seller and buyers, and some more statistics. Again, simply create a task and fill out the required fields like previously. Click Create Task to save it. Start the task and SneakyTools will fetch the statistics from your account. An overview will be sent to your Discord webhook. Perfect! Now let's move on to the Labels mode. The Labels mode will scrape any shipping labels from your pending sales and put them in a correct format to print. It supports single and bulk labels. As already known, create a task and select your profile, the label mode, and your Alias account. Choosing month is not required. Start the task, and the bot will download your current labels. The bot will always only scrape labels which weren't scraped before. It will automatically remember the scraped labels. If you want to reset the memory, just hit the Flush Label Cache button in the settings. The Monitor mode can fetch your pending sales and automatically confirm them, answer failed alias sales with a previously defined discount, or consign failed alias items. Please note, we recommend using proxies for the Monitor mode. As always, you need to create a task and set your business profile. Whenever a certain field is not required, it will disappear as soon as you choose the mode. Choose Monitor as the mode and select your Alias account. Click Create Task to save it. Click the small play button to start the task. The task will monitor as soon as the mode says, Waiting for new activity. the monitor task will auto-restart after a SneakyTools restart if it was running before the restart. All actions will be logged into your webhook. Let's get to the last feature. Proof of delivery. This mode will save the proof of delivery for every sale in the defined month. These documents are very important and should be stored for future tax audits. Again, create a task and fill the required fields, such as profile, month, mode, and account. Start the task and wait until the status says Finished UPS Deliveries. Please note that the speed of the current video is heavily boosted. The actual process is longer. It is not possible to get the proof of delivery for consigned sales, as Alias does not provide the tracking number once the item arrives at their warehouse. That's it. Please also read our text guide for Alias. It features some more details about every mode. If you need further support, feel free to open a support ticket.